So I don't have a bowl. And I also just realized that I don't have spoons. So this is how we're gonna be eating cereal this morning. Like a little, kind of like a cereal cocktail. That's what it kind of feels like. Just stir around and go to town with it. Now, it's the most unattractive way to eat cereal, but the lesson of the day is find a way to overcome. So it's Monday morning. It's Monday morning. It's like 4:30 in the morning. My Uber just arrived, and I'm going on a trip to San Francisco. Join me. So I realized I never explained what exactly I'm doing, maybe in great enough detail. So I am going to be a guest on Adobe Live, which is a 3-day stream where I stream for 2 hours a day with a co-host. And I'm gonna be building a concept for just designing out like a concept for like a board game kind of like exploration app. Adobe invited me, so they flew me out and are putting me up in a hotel. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be out here for a total of 4 or 5 days, but I'm only gonna be on the stream for 3 days. So I'm gonna be posting all that stuff online. Hopefully everybody will get an opportunity to check it out or watch the replay, because that's super cool. It's super fun. I just realized I was just like, hey, I'm on a plane. I didn't really describe what exactly I'm doing in good detail. So that's what I'm doing. My Uber should be here any minute. I got in my hotel room and I got everything set up, and it's pretty cool. Just a little single kind of hotel room. The only horrendous thing is, do we see this? Do we see this crazy picture that I have to sleep beneath? This picture is gonna keep me awake at night? What on earth even am I supposed to do with this? All right, well that's it. I gotta go and grab and pick up a few things, and I might as well just adventure around the neighborhood and see what is around me. Maybe we're looking for some food, maybe we're looking for some supplies, maybe we're looking for some coffee, maybe we're just looking for awesome things to shoot. Let's go do that. One of the things I really love about San Francisco is it just has this really cool mixture of architecture, right? So you have modern stuff mixed with old stuff. You have old brick buildings like this mixed with pieces of just crazy structure and statue like that. So there's just this really cool vibe, and I think while I'm here, right, I'm gonna be building out a concept app, and I'm trying to think about things that influence me, things that spark creativity in me. So when I walk around, I find that in architecture, I find that in the environment around me. So I want to make sure I'm taking that into my time on Adobe Live and utilizing everything that's around me, right? So far, just walking around for 20 or 30 minutes, I'm seeing just really cool shapes, really cool colors, things that are playful and kind of juxtaposed with each other. So that's something that I kind of want to do, because I'm building a board game app. So or designing a board game app interface. So I feel like it could be kind of playful. I feel like I could juxtapose some fun shapes and things together and color to make it really clean and minimal and modern, mixed with kind of fun and funky. So that's what I just really love about walking around and finding inspiration, is you just never know what you're gonna get. So I was getting really hungry. I found a place that said poke bowls. So I got a poke bowl, spicy ahi tuna. Being from Hawaii, I'm pretty picky. We're gonna see how it is. That's really lame. That is not good at all. I make better poke at home with the fish that I could find at the store. Mayonnaise and some sriracha. A little bit of sesame oil. This is like trendy poke. It's not real Hawaiian style poke, but that's all we got here. So I don't know what this green is. It's colorful. It's pretty good. But the poke is subpar. -1 point for you, San Francisco. Hey, good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's time for me to go inside. I'm at the Adobe offices, and so I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna go in and check it out now. Okay, let's go. So I just got done with my first day of live streaming on the Adobe Live kind of thing. So that was super fun. It was 2 hours long. It was actually only about an hour and 15 or 20 minutes of actual design time because you have to do like kind of like chat stuff and like answer questions, and I banter a lot, so I probably got even less done than I wanted to. So, you know, it happens. But it was really fun. It was, you know, it flew by really, really quickly. My co-host, super awesome guy. His name's Kevin. I really like him a lot. And it was just a cool experience. Tomorrow is like day 2 where I do like, I think I'm doing like high fidelity and like high fidelity wireframes and then like low res like mock-up stuff. I just got done with my 3rd day of Adobe Live, like live streaming, and I'm in the studio right now. So massive green screen wall, like they just got this brand new awesome desk that we sat at for all 3 days, and it was a lot of fun. That's Paco in the background. Say what's up. But it was a pretty cool experience. It was a lot of fun, and this is, I feel like this is like what you should see because this is our view of it, right? Like we're sitting here at the table, green screen behind us, lights really nice right there. Then we have like the cameras are like up over there, and the screens like with the actual live stream as it's going on, and then like the chat comments that are happening live as well. So it's kind of an interesting experience, but a lot of fun, met a lot of really, really cool people, and now it's time to, I don't know, I have tomorrow, and I'm jumping on a plane and leaving San Francisco, going back to Austin. So that was pretty much it. I didn't vlog as much as or talk to the camera as much as I hoped, but I hope that you got a chance to see the stream. And if you didn't, you can watch the replays on Behance. I'll put the link down in the description. That's pretty much it. Talk to you later.